They need to glue some more zeros to my paycheck. Excuse me, y'all have stress-free teaching on sale? I just came in here to restock my wine rack. Why y'all got all the back-to-school stuff on sale already? Y'all in a rush to have me remember what I've been trying to forget all summer. Take this stuff back off the rack and put some more stuff up here. I just got a chance to lay down yesterday. Parents see back to school. Teachers see back to the struggle, back to drinking, back to acting like we like people kids, back to not getting paid for everything that we do, back to buying school supplies and never getting reimbursed for it, back to relying on teachers pay teachers for all of my lesson plans for the whole year. I just started healing from the last semester. I don't even know why they got pencils and paper on sale. Come middle of the year, these kids ain't gonna bring neither one of them to class anyway. They need to make a movie for teachers and call it The Never Ending Summer. That movie will be #1 at the box office. Just send me an email telling me when we schedule to report. I'ma just wait on God's report. Summarily speaking, I ain't ready to go back yet. Technically, I ain't have a real summer anyway because we had to do professional development over the whole break. That ain't fair.